So let's check out the Chord MIDI effect. First I'm going to load the wavetable, and let's make a simple sound here, maybe a triangle, and let's do some analog boosting, and I'll add some pitch envelope. Let's go there. Okay, now let's load the Chord MIDI effect. Now the Chord MIDI effect allows you to add more notes on top or below the note that you're actually hitting. So for example, here I'm just holding C, and now what I can do is I can add more notes on top. So for example, 4 ST or 4 semitones on top of C will add also the E. Let's for example do a major 7th chord, so 7 for the 5th, 11 for the major 7th, and now every note that I will hit will give me that note, major 7th chord. And we'll do a 9, and I can even add maybe an octave lower. Nice, maybe an octave above. Excellent. Now I'm just going to make sure in wavetable that we have velocity affecting the amp, the volume, and right here underneath you have the velocity for each added shift, each added voice note. So I can take down, for example, this would be obvious, the -12, the bass. We can change the velocity of it and then changing basically each note velocity, which is great. So that is all with the Chord MIDI effect. We're going to post kind of a cheat sheet for a lot of different types of chords, so check those out. Next time we'll check the note length MIDI effect.